If your QuickBooks skills are top-notch and you have a knack for managing financial transactions with precision, and you love crunching numbers, analyzing data, and ensuring everything balances perfectly, you're the AR/AP specialist we're looking for. We need someone who thrives on accuracy and efficiency. Imagine a workplace where your skills are valued, where your contributions make a real impact, and where you can grow and thrive in a dynamic environment. Picture yourself collaborating with a team of dedicated professionals. Welcome to life as an accounts receivable payable specialist at a leading US-based MNC. Here, your expertise will be recognized and rewarded. Do you have a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or a related field? Your educational background is crucial for understanding the complexities of financial management. Are you experienced in AR/AP processes and proficient in QuickBooks? Your hands-on experience will be invaluable in maintaining our financial health. If you nodded yes, then keep watching. We have an exciting opportunity that could be the perfect fit for you. At Company Name, we're searching for talented AR/AP specialists to join our team. We believe in fostering a supportive and inclusive work environment. Your role is crucial in maintaining smooth financial operations, ensuring the company's profitability, and contributing to our overall success. You'll be at the heart of our financial operations and contributing to our overall success. Your efforts will directly impact our ability to achieve our business goals. You'll be processing invoices, managing accounts, and ensuring that all financial transactions are accurately recorded, and resolving discrepancies, all while working in an exciting, fast-paced environment. Your problem-solving skills will be put to the test as you handle various financial challenges. But it's not just about the job, it's about the perks too. Enjoy career growth opportunities, a diverse work environment, and competitive compensation. We offer a range of benefits designed to support your professional and personal development. Imagine working with a team that supports you and helps you achieve your professional goals. The camaraderie and teamwork here are unmatched and helps you achieve your professional goals. The best part? You'll be part of a company that values your contributions and encourages your growth. We've got multiple positions open right now. This is your chance to join a thriving company and make a significant impact. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to advance your career. Apply today through Vikrant's job channel and take the next step in your career. Our application process is straightforward and user-friendly. And take the next step in your career. Join us and become part of a team that values innovation, dedication, and excellence. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to help others discover these fantastic opportunities. Spread the word and help us find the best talent out there. Click the link, join our job channel, and get ready to embark on an exciting new journey. Your future awaits. We can't wait to see what you'll achieve with us. And get ready to embark on an exciting new journey. Your future awaits. Together, we'll reach new heights and achieve great things.